Today we're making a crock pot meal. We got butter, cream cheese, cream of mushroom, a Lipton onion soup mix, and then some chicken. Check us out. It's beautiful. Okay, first what we're gonna do is take the butter, just grease that. Next, we're gonna lay the chicken inside. Well, we're gonna try to lay the chicken inside. I'm just using boneless chicken breasts.
Dad?
What's up? Next, we're using the cream of mushroom. And then I usually rinse out the container and use that extra water for the mix. Water you add to this, and obviously that final outcome will be more runny. Soup mix. And then a whole brick of cream cheese. Doug, there's a girl named BB Bluff. Love cream cheese. No, normally I put some onion, some cut up onion in here, but we do not have any today. But that's pretty much it. Usually I do it on high because I don't have a lot of time. I think 4 hours on high will get you everything cooked nicely. So I'm going to try a slow. Let's see what time it is. We usually eat about 6:30, so let me just time it for that. We'll be back with the halfway through and the final results. We're at a little over halfway through.
What?
Ew. Gotta get funky. Just breaking up the last big chicken bones, or big chicken chunks rather. I'm trying to mash together the big chunks of cream cheese. And I'll either serve this over rice or some noodles. And it is delicious. So as delicious as it looks, I remember that it is Friday, and being Catholic in the Lenten season, we do not eat meat on Friday, so we cannot eat this chicken dish. So quick change of plans. I'm going to heat up some pot stickers and then make some okonomiyaki. Let's go. This is about a cup of cabbage, half cup flour. Add whatever veggies you want. Potatoes and carrots are featured here. Add 1 egg and about 1/4 cup of water. If okonomiyaki is a hot dog, this is ketchup and mustard. Okonomiyaki sauce and Japanese mayonnaise.